Winter viruses. The White House announcing Americans can once again get these free COVID test kits. This as concerns are growing over a strain of strep. Ariel Reshef is here with more on this. Good morning, Ariel.
Good morning to you, Cecilia. The administration is ramping up its response and resources as COVID cases spike on top of the flu and RSV, and health officials are investigating that rare but severe form of strep in children.
This morning, health officials warning COVID infections are rapidly climbing on top of the crippling combination of viruses like flu and RSV already sweeping the country.
Our emergency department has been seeing about 170% of our usual daily volume.
In an effort to push back against a winter surge, the White House urging people to get COVID and flu vaccines and once again rolling out free rapid COVID tests.
We have the know-how to manage this moment. And that means protecting people, preventing hospitalizations and deaths.
And with the triple-demic tightening its grip, the CDC investigating another illness. Children's hospitals in at least 4 states, from Washington to Texas and Arizona, seeing an unusual increase in the number of rare invasive strep A cases. Dozens reported so far. 2 children have died in Colorado.
So what we're seeing is the rise of a number of pathogens that are now coming out from having essentially been dormant over the last few years with all the mitigation efforts.
That uptick coming as 43 states report very high or high levels of flu-like activity. For one Michigan family, flu turning frightening. 3 of their children hospitalized with the virus. 7-year-old June admitted first.
She had a high fever, body aches, and she was lethargic.
June's younger brother and sister admitted days later.
This is like waking up from a nightmare a little bit. And we're just so grateful that everyone's healthy again.
And of course, it is good to hear that those children are doing better. And back to those severe cases of strep, doctors say they are extremely rare. But if your child has a sore throat for more than a couple of days, seems to be having trouble swallowing, has a fever, is presenting a concerning rash, or is just simply not acting like themselves, it's best to talk to your pediatrician. Cecilia?
Yeah, and so concerning, especially, Ariel, because you've been reporting, others have been reporting on this shortage of antibiotics, including amoxicillin, which you use to treat strep. So what should parents do?
Right. So if you're having trouble finding amoxicillin, you can ask your pharmacist if they have a chewable or a pill form or maybe a different medication altogether. And we are hearing that many manufacturers are trying to ramp up production, but this shortage could last into 2023. Cecilia?
All right, Ariel, thanks so much. George?
Okay, thanks, Cecilia. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.